everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to talk about the best deals going on at Walgreens this week. There are so many deals, way more than what you see here. I'm going to walk you through the ones I did as well as other deals that you may want to do. Happy November. I can't believe it's November. It's the end of the year again. I told y'all that I would tell you what we were for Halloween. We did a Peter Pan theme this year, and I thought the costumes were really fun. I loved reading all of your guesses as to what you thought we were going to be, and it actually gave me some pretty good ideas for next year. But I hosted a group of teenagers at the house, so it was a little bit crazier Halloween than normal, but it was a lot of fun. Throws me off though with it being, I think it was Tuesday, because the rest of the week feels really long because that night felt like it was supposed to be a weekend. The extra hour today has helped me so much. I feel more rested than I typically do, and I went to bed at 1:30, so I hope y'all are enjoying that extra hour as well. All right, let's talk about a couple of codes. I think I wrote these down somewhere. Let me snag them. So I did write them down somewhere. I just didn't bring them over here, so I had to go get them. There is a code if you're doing a curbside or an online order. You can use the code SAVE15. It's going to give you 15% off store-wide. If you're buying a number of hair care products, you can use the code HAIR25. It's going to take an extra 25% off. I was able to use the code SENIOR20 this morning, and I believe the code GET10 is still working. If you haven't maxed out your uses of the GET10 or the SENIOR20, you should be able to use one of those codes if you're placing a curbside order. Let's first start with deals I did in store. These are register reward deals, so you want to do them in store, not for curbside. The Pantene shampoo and conditioner, they are 2 for $10. When you buy 2 of them, you're going to get a $4 register reward, but there is a $2 digital coupon. So pay $8 at the register, get a $4 register reward, making it $4 for both, or just $2 each. Not a bad deal if you like the Pantene brand and you need it. Also, the Colgate. This is a really good one. This is a freebie. So these products are $4.50. They are buy 2, get a $3 register reward, but both of these items have a $3 digital. So $9 for both, minus $6 in coupons. You pay $3, then you get back a $3 register reward, making them both free. Another register reward deal, and I like this one because this one, it is on products that I don't feel like we get a great deal on all the time. It's on the Febreze products. You want to buy 3 of them at $3.29. You're going to get a $3 register reward back. I grabbed the Febreze fabric spray. Then I picked up the plug. You need to grab this one because there's a digital coupon for this one. And then I got the small spaces. All of them are $3.29. There is a $2.30 digital for the plug, a $3.30 digital for the other 2 items together, leaving you to pay $4.27, getting back a $3 register reward, making it $1.27 for all 3, or just 42 cents each. And I like the small spaces. You could also pick up the 1 count of the car air freshener if you like those better. Now, another one I did in store is the Tide Downy Bounce products are $5.49 each. Buy 4, get a $5 register reward. Now, the ones I picked up are because of the digital coupons that I have. You can pick up whatever you need. Just check your digital coupons to see which ones are going to apply. I grabbed the Tide Pods at $5.49 and the Tide Detergent at $5.49. I had a $1.50 digital for both of those. Then one of the Downies at $5.49 and the Bounce at $5.49. The smaller box is also on sale, but for this deal, you need to grab the ones that are $5.49. I had a $1 digital for both of those. So I paid $16.96 after the $5 in coupons. That left my total to be $16.96. I got back the $5 register reward, leaving me to pay $11.96 for all 4 of them, or just $2.99 each. Those are all Procter & Gamble products, so we can submit that receipt to the PG Good Everyday program to get points back on those products. and then cash in those points to gift cards. That is a completely free program. If you're not using it already, I'll drop a link to it down below. Lots of Procter & Gamble products on sale this week. The Tide Simply are also 4 for $10. So if you like that brand, I want to say I had 2 different 50-cent digitals for those. So if you like that brand, you can pick those up just a little bit cheaper than the orange Tide products. Another deal you can do in store, you could do this one curbside if you want to. The General Mills cereal is 2 for $5. There is a $1 digital coupon, so you'd pay 2 for $4. Now, if you don't use the digital, which I did not, you'll pay $5. Then you can submit to Ibotta and get $1 back on Ibotta, making it $4. So a couple of reasons why I did it that way. I was working towards a bonus on Ibotta, so I would prefer the $1 back versus using the $1 coupon. You cannot use both. In the fine print of this Ibotta offer, it says you cannot combine it with coupons, so I did not. If you choose to do it, that's up to you, but I'm not going to teach you to do it incorrectly. So you can either do the Ibotta rebate or you can use the manufacturer coupon. So I did that one in store, but you could do it curbside. The Olay, this one I did curbside because I used that code SENIOR20. I noticed I had a high value digital coupon, a $12 digital. These Olays are buy one, get one half off. And that was the cheapest product that qualified for that coupon. So if I buy 2 of them, that's $16.48. The $12 digital comes off. Then that SENIOR20 code took another 90 cents off for me, leaving my final cost to be $3.58 or $1.79 each. Could you do it in store? Sure, but your in-store price may be more expensive than the online price, and you can't use a promo code in store. So that's why I did it curbside. Now, there was something else I just thought of that I wanted to tell you. High value digital. Hopefully it'll come to me because it was important. The other deal, this Shea Moisture. I did this at Target earlier in the week, but if you have not done it yet, you could do it at Walgreens. These are $3.49, but they qualify for a $5 rebate on Ibotta. So that makes it an easy moneymaker. So grab it if you have not grabbed it already. I think what I was going to tell you is you could do this in store if you want, if you're using it towards it like a spend booster. Last week, I mentioned I did not have a spend booster on Sunday, but on Monday, a spend booster popped up. So we're going to see if that happens again this week. The only spend booster that I got this week was like spend $60 on holiday decor and get $20 back. I don't think that's ever going to get used. So I'm kind of hoping that I get like a regular spend booster in my account tomorrow. I did have a paper booster of spend 40, get 9. So I did an in-store deal with the Tide, the Febreze, and the Colgate got me just over 40. So in addition to getting the register rewards back, I got the $9 in Walgreens cash back as well using that paper booster. Hopefully that made sense. If not, let me know in the comments. Now, a couple of clearance finds. I found these Aleve in store on Friday, marked at $1.19 each. There's a $2 digital. So if you buy 2 of them at $1.19, that's $2.38. There was a $2 manufacturer digital that would come off if you're purchasing 2 of them, leaving you to pay 38 cents or just 19 cents each. If you can only find one, that $2 manufacturer digital would not come off. I need to double check. I forgot to check this morning if there's a different Aleve coupon in the coupon folder. So if you see one, let us know down in the comments. I just haven't checked yet. Now, these I have not seen at every store, but my store near me has the Bic tattoo lighters marked on clearance for 35 cents. And there is a $1 rebate on Ibotta with a limit of 5. So I picked up 5 of those Bic lighters for $1.75, but I got back $5 on Ibotta, so that made those lighters completely free. And and a $3.25 moneymaker. Now, all of my Ibotta offers that I did this morning got me to that Thanksgiving offer where you get all of the Thanksgiving sides for free. So if you like Ibotta and you're playing with it, just keep in mind that you're working towards some of those Thanksgiving bonuses that are coming up. If you're brand new to Ibotta, never used it before, want to check it out, it is a fantastic rebate app, completely legit, super easy to use. If you snag it using my referral code, you'll score an additional $5 when you scan that first receipt. Doesn't cost you anything, you're just earning money back. And I do have a full tutorial on how to use all of the cashback apps that you can find from my YouTube channel, but I'll try to remember to link them down below, and I typically link them at the very end of the video as a playlist. Okay, anything else I am forgetting to tell you? The grocery deals. So let me tell you a few more deals that I did not do that you might consider doing. The Oscar Mayer bacon is buy one, get one free, so that makes it $8.99 for both, or just $4.49 each. The Skippy peanut butter on sale for 2 for $5 or $2.50 a jar of peanut butter. The Maxwell coffee, $5.79 was the cheapest one that I saw. There is a $2 rebate on Ibotta, so if you like that coffee, it would make it just $3.79. The Planters peanuts, $4.99 with a $2 digital, making it $2.99. There is candy that's 3 for $3, but there's a 99 cents off of 3 coupon, which makes it $2.01 for all 3, or just 67 cents each. The cashews are buy one, get one free, $4.99 for both, or just $2.99 each. The nice toilet paper is still on sale for $1.99. The chips are still on sale for $1.99. The Scott toilet paper, $5 regular price. There is a $1 manufacturer digital and a $1.25 store digital. So if you use both of those coupons, you would pay $2.75 for that pack of Scott toilet paper. So I think that's a great deal. That's when I would pick it up. I just don't need any. All right, so that is everything for this week. Don't think there's anything else I need to tell you. I hope y'all are having a great week. It feels like it is just crazy, crazy, crazy in my life. There's so many things going on. My son has a show this weekend, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, so it's tech week. He has rehearsal every single day. Plus he has additional rehearsals for other things on top of that. I think that's the only thing special going on this week in my life. It's a whirlwind of things. I feel like the holiday season is just crazy. I have been posting a number of Amazon deals, so if you like shopping on Amazon, don't forget to check the community tab, or if you follow me on Instagram, you can find me at Save with Christina. I'm on TikTok at Save with Christina, and then I'm on Facebook at Saving with Christina. I try to post all the deals, all of those places, so that it makes it easy for you guys to find. Hope y'all have a fantastic week. Thanks.